In this video, I'll show you how to fix the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer PDF in Windows 10. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to search bar and search for PowerShell. Once you see the PowerShell, right-click on it and run as administrator. Once you open the PowerShell, copy the link in the description, which is this: unblock file path C user admin documents PDF. You need to change admin to your computer name, and then documents to where the file is located. And then after that, copy and paste this in the PowerShell. And then hit enter. And that's it. Your file can now be previewed. Thanks for watching.